Hey guys, you want to be able to play Soundgarden's Blackhole Sun? Well, then check out this video. Okay, so he's in drop D tuning, and the rest of the strings are E standard tuning. But if you're going to play with the record, sharp, so you have to tune it to the record. My guitar right now is tuned so I can play with the record. Alright, so what he's doing, he's at the 5th fret, he's barring his finger on the 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd string. Then he goes to the 8th fret on the E string, does the same thing, 5, 4, and 3 bar. Then he goes to the 3rd fret, bars the 6th, 5th, and 4th, and his finger on the 5th fret of the G. Then go back up to the 4th and 5th. Then open E, do the same thing on the 2nd fret and the 4th fret of the G, and then open. So I'll do those together for you slowly. And then he does open again, and then bar your finger on the 1st fret, go down to the 3rd string, and all the way up to the 6th. And then open, 3rd fret on the A, open D, and 2nd fret on the G. So those two together slow. If you enjoyed this content, I'll leave another video up there you can watch next. So all of it together slowly. Then he does triads for the verse, which would be the 12th fret on the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. G, B, E, back up to the B, to the G, to the B. So 6 notes. Then 3 notes. You're on the 12th fret of the G, 11th fret of the B, and 10th fret of the E. So those two together. Does that 6-note pattern again. You're on the 10th fret of the G string, and then the 13th fret of the B and E. So it sounds like this. One more time. So those together slowly. Then he plays the 12th fret on the G, then the 11th fret on the B and E. Then it's the 10th fret on the B and E instead of the 11th fret. Then he's on the 12th fret, do that 6-note pattern again. He's on the 12th fret, the G, B, E, back to the G. Then the 10th fret on the G, 12th fret on the B, 10th fret on the E, back up to the G. And then to the 13th on the G and 11th on the B and E. And then it goes into the chorus with a little distortion. You're on the 1st fret. You just pick from the 6th to the 3rd all the way back up to the 6th. And then the open E, then the 3rd fret on the A, open D, 2nd fret on the G, go back up to the D, 3rd fret on the C, and open. Then you hit the 3rd string on the low E, slide up to the 5th, then D and G, hit the 5th again, slide back, hit the D and G, and then go to the B flat, 1st fret on the A, and then the 3rd fret on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. And then go all the way up to the 5th string. You do that again. And then play that C chord up to the D. Then it goes back to the triads again. It goes into the chorus. It does those triads in the verse again. It goes back into the chorus. Hammer off from the 2nd to the 3rd fret of the A string. It's 2, open, slide from the 2nd to the 3rd, then 5, 4, 3, 8. Then he does that hammer off from the 2nd to the 3rd fret on the A, to the 2, open, slide from the 2 to the 3, and then 5, 4, 3. Then he's barring the 6th, 5th, and 4th string. And you got the 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the G. Just play that whole chord. And then in the 6th and 5th string on the 3rd fret, and slide up to the 5th fret.